Our friend Vince. Look at Vince. Our friend Vince, we're live.
Hey, look what we're using.
What do you think of those towels?
Listen, I gotta tell you, this is the greatest product ever made. And you gotta check this guy's booth out. If you can follow my finger, right over there.
Yeah.
And we love his products. I have all his products in my car. And this is what I do. I do a quick, I look at the color, I decide what I'm gonna put on the car and the car. And what I do right now, I don't need it, but I'm just going to do a little soft, just to go through the car a little bit, get that nice shine out with that rag, as you can see.
Yeah.
And this is a special rag. Only get it from where?
Speed and Shine.
Speed and Shine.
That's right.
So stay tuned for more information. We'll get back to you.
So Vince,
Yes, sir.
Your car, you use the Intense Shine and Protect on it. It's very slick, so to get the dust off, you really don't need to use much product, do you?
No, you don't. Once you, let me explain. Hold it right there. I've got here, where is it? This is all I use during a show. As you can see here, this is the product I only use once the car's been completely done, parked, detailed on the deep end. This is what I use the rest of the 3 days that the Autorama show has been going on. And what I do is real simple. So I'll match up that color with that bottle.
Yeah.
Once that's done, then I go put this away, and then I come back about every 4 or 5 hours. And I'll go around the car, and we'll just have a little fun with this, as you can see. And I just keep the dust off from the building and all the air that's going on in the air and all the everything they got going on in the building. And as you can see, come on over and check that out. We just got a little spot here. We'll just take some of that dust off, lighten it up a little bit, and there we are. And I got to tell you, in closing, I've had so many people come by and say, whatever product, whatever you're using is outstanding. So there you go. So make sure you subscribe to their channel, buy their product. I'm a person that had to put it on a few times, and here we are later, and now I'm using it. And I'm proof that this product stands for what it's worth. Make sure you get yourself a set, okay?
All right. Well, gosh.
All right. See you soon.
I don't know. You know, an endorsement like that is oh, I tripped on his carpet. Is absolutely all you can ask for. But you know, when you look at a finish like that, you can tell. And so that's one of the best things, is to walk around a place like this looking at this caliber of cars and knowing that and seeing them trust Speed and Shine products to keep their pride and joy looking its best. That's a great feeling.